Malapit na guys. August 30th na yan. Saturday, alas 8 ng umaga. Ready na ang North Assembly Hall para sa ating 12 years anniversary. Alam niyo naman, excited na lahat para dito sa celebration na ito. Just imagine, a year ago, for the past 12 months, naalala nyo, we have celebrated our 11th year. Ngayon, God bless us with another year to celebrate His goodness, to celebrate His faithfulness, to celebrate what God has done in each one of us. Tamang-tama yung tema natin para sa 12 years anniversary natin. Ito yung tema na growing deeper, going wider as we continue to believe God for a greater harvest this year and in the coming years. Alam niyo naman, there's a lot of people who don't know the Lord yet, and we're excited to share to them the love of Jesus sa pamamagitan ng community na ito. Kaya po, sa pagdiriwang nito, samantalahin natin, yayain natin, yakagin natin yung mga kaibigan natin, mga members of our family, mga tao na mahal nyo sa buhay, na pwede nyong invite. And of course, we would like them to witness what God has done in our lives. Siyempre, there's a lot of things stored for each one of us as we celebrate this momentous occasion. Natin kailangan dalhin yung mga dapat nating dalhin. And excited na ako. So, paano? We'll see you then. God bless you. See you on Saturday.